Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet the beautiful Jasmine Stitch, a stunning pattern that's perfect for blankets, scarves or any cozy object. Let's dive right in. I'm going to be using 100% cotton yarn along with the 3.5mm crochet hook to show the stitch. We will start with a slip knot, so wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end like this and then again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger, grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. This is the slip knot. We will insert the hook and then pull the working end, chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then we are going to go into the back loop of the chain here, into this loop and work a puff stitch. I will show you how to work the puff stitch. So we will pull the loop a little to make it a little longer like this, and then yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop of the chain once. Again yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Yarn over and hold this strand and pull through all the loops like this. And then we are going to go back to this strand, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop. With that we have completed the puff stitch. This is what it looks like. And then chain 1. Now we are going to make the next puff stitch into the back loop of this chain here. So have a longer loop, yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the back loop. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 7 loops, yarn over and pull through all the loops by holding this strand. Again go into that strand, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Chain 1. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat to complete the next puffs. Yarn over, pull up a loop through the back loop of the chain here. Again yarn over, pull up a loop through the back loop. Again yarn over and pull up a loop. Again yarn over, hold this strand and pull through all the loops. Again yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 puffs. Chain 1 and just continue the pattern to have several puff stitches. I'm going to make 10 puff stitches over here. You can just repeat the pattern until you get the desired length. This is going to be our foundation of the work. So complete the foundation and meet me back there at the end. Now I have completed 10 puff stitches over here. This is the length of the work I'm making. And then we will start with row 1. There I'm going to make another puff stitch, a standing puff stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop, again yarn over, pull up a loop, again yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 1, and this is going to be the turn of the work. Now we need to work 3 puff stitches together into these 3 places. So yarn over and pull up a loop through the chain here 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Again we are going to go into this space here and pull up loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again go into this space here and pull 3 loops up. 1, 2 and 3. And then we are going to hold this strand and yarn over and pull through all the loops. And then yarn over and pull through the strand and pull through the loop. Now chain 1 and just repeat the pattern. We are going to make another set of 3 puffs together into these 3 places. So 1, 2, 3, and then go into the stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. Again go into this place. 1, 2 and 3. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1 and just repeat the pattern. We are going to make another set of 3 puffs together after this as well. We will go into the 3 places again. 1, 2, 3 and then into this stitch here. 1, 2, 3. Again go into the next space here. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1 and then just repeat the pattern until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the row and this is the very last set of 3 puffs together I'm working here. 1, 2, 3 and then go into the first chain here. 1, 2 and 3. Then complete the puffs. And then chain 1. This is what we have completed in the first round. And then we will start with the row 2. There I'm going to turn the work and then make a standing puff stitch here as the turn of the work. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and then we are going to work 3 puffs together here into these 3 places. One, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2 and 3. And we will just repeat the pattern on this row as well. Chain 1 and work 3 puff stitches together into these 3 places. One, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2 and 3. And then again chain 1 and just repeat the pattern until the end of the row. This is the end of the row, and we will make the last set of 3 puffs together into these 3 places. Chain 1. This is what we have completed so far. Now we will start row 3 by turning the work like this, and then make a standing puff stitch just like the previous rows. And then just make 3 puff stitches together. One, 2, 3. Again 1, 2 and 3. Again 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to just repeat the same pattern again and again to create more rows and have the desired length of the work. I have completed up to here, and this is the very last set I'm going to work here. This is what it looks like. To finish the work, chain 1, leave a little tail, and you can cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails like this. With that, we have completed our project. Thank you so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more creative crochet ideas. See you in the next video.